Hi dear, welcome to EA Spoken English Production. Today we are going to do EA English Phonics, lesson number 2, book number 1. Today's word that we have chosen is an. Before we have been doing at, now we are going to do an. Words को मेरे साथ साथ पढ़िएगा. Today we are going to do an family lesson 2. Can, man, nan, ran, ban, fan, can, can, man, man, nan, ran, ban, fan. Repeat after. Can, man, nan, ran, ban, fan. Perfect. Note that the word an will be an intermediate phonics book because it is a grammatical lesson, and note too, Nan is a child's name for a grandmother. Can I jump higher than a tree? Can I, little tiny me, little tiny me. Can I jump higher than a tree? Can I jump higher than a tree? Can I, little tiny me. Yes, I can jump higher than a tree. Yes, I can jump higher than a tree. A tree can't jump. See this can of corn. Can of corn. See this can of corn. In my hand. I can eat it. Yes, I can. See this can. See this can. See this can of corn in my hand. In my hand. I can eat it. I can eat it. Yes, I can. But a can of corn doesn't taste very good. Doesn't taste very good. And a can of corn is the hardest word. And a can of corn is as hard as wood. A pair of shoes ran down the street. A pair of shoes ran down the street. A pair of shoes ran down the street. A man ran too, but he had bare feet. A man ran too, but he had bare feet. Hey, said the man, come back to me. Hey, said the man, come back to me. A man ran too, but he had bare feet. Hey, said the man, come back to me. We can, said the shoes. We can, said the shoes. When you wash your feet. When you wash your feet. When you wash your feet. We can, said the shoes. When you wash your feet. My nan can, make good cookies. My nan can make good cookies. My nan can make a cake. Oh yes, my nan can make a cake. Oh yes. My nan said I could make something. My nan said I could make something. So look, I made a mess. So look, I made a mess. आज हमने एन फैमिली को पढ़ा, जिसमें हमने प्रैक्टिस किया कैन, मैन, नैन, नैन, रैन, फैन। तो बच्चों, आज का सबक कैसा रहा? ये दूसरा सबक था, लेकिन पहली किताब का। इसके भी मज़ीद 2 सबक अभी रहते हैं, तो पहली किताब हमारी ख़त्म हो जाएगी, फिर हम दूसरी किताब को शुरू करेंगे। That's all for now. Thanks for being with EA. Do not forget to like, share and comment what you want.